It says, you're going to be a big brother.
But Mummy's bigger.
Yay! We're having a baby!
Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So I thought I would really quickly hop on and introduce the video. So today you're going to be watching our gender reveal for baby number 3. If you're new to my channel then hi, welcome, my name's Emma. I'm currently pregnant with baby number 3 and we recently found out the gender and we told our other 2 children. So myself and my husband knew the gender and we were revealing it to our children, so that's what I'm going to be sharing with you today. So without further ado, we're going to jump straight into the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. If you're not already, I hope you'll consider subscribing, and let's jump into the gender reveal. So you're going to come over this side, okay? Right, you grab your balloon. Right, turn around. Come here. Right. Right, should Mum and Dad pop this balloon then? Stand to the side. Say, do you want to look? Listen, do you want to look at the balloon? Why don't you come in that? Ready? Listen, we're going to do... Ollie, come here, darling. Darling.
You scared of him?
Yeah, no, I'm going to hold your hand. You don't need to be scared. Come here. Come forward.
I'll come here then.
Come with me.
Go with Daddy then. Right, so listen.
Find me.
No, it won't. But
Stand in a little bit.
we're going to do 3, 2, 1, okay?
So if it's blue, it's a boy.
And if it's pink, it's a girl.
What do you
Right.
think?
Last guesses.
Pink?
Pink.
What do you think?
But
Blue.
Okay, ready? 3, 2,
2,
1. Look, ready?
where's it gonna be?
What is it?
Look.
Go.
It's a girl. Yay!
Is it a girl one?
It's a girl, yeah.
Oh my god.
Is that
I want to be a boy.
Don't worry. You can be a big brother to a
good?
baby
Look,
sister.
listen, if you scoop all this up, you can look, go like this, and you can go, woo! Is that good?
Yeah.
Right, scoop a big pile then.
So you're having a baby sister.
Right, ready? 3, 2, 1,
go.
go. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you, Ollie?
Yeah.
Are you excited, Darcy?
Yeah.
Careful your
Yeah.
body.
So there we have it. Were your guesses right? If you were guessed on my previous video, let me know down below if you guessed it was going to be a baby girl. For some reason I had just an inkling that it was going to be a boy, and I don't know why. I don't know if it's because when I went for my first scan the sonographer kept saying he, but like I said in that video, it might have just been the way she spoke, but I just had in my head it was going to be a boy, but we're super happy that it's going to be a baby girl. As you can see, Darcy is very excited, and Ollie has been lovely actually the past few days, even telling his teacher who's so excited, so I'm going to have a baby sister. So yeah, we're really excited to share this journey with you, and I hope you enjoyed our gender reveal video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everybody.